Good afternoon, Prudential. My name is Jerome Joseph, and I'm passionately obsessed when it comes to branding. And I've traveled around the world working with all kinds of brands. And one of the things when it comes to brands is the idea of competition. So this is what I want you to do. I want you all to stand up. Let me get everyone to stand up. And I want you to find yourself a partner. So get everyone to stand up. Find yourself a partner. It's competition time. It's got to be two persons, right? Two persons. So look and find yourself a partner. Everyone's got a partner. Once you have your partner, give your partner a high five, just to make sure. Now, friendship ends here. Look at your partner and go, grr, game on. When I shout, consultant, you need to grab the hand of MDRT. MDRT, you must run away. If I shout MDRT, you need to try to catch consultant runs away. Everyone understand? Say yes. Yes. Okay. Round number 1, practice only. Practice only. Round 1. MDRT. Good. I could feel that. Now, are we ready to play? Say yes. Yes. Look your partner in the eye and say, game on. Game on. Now, I have got 2 rules. Rule number 1, please don't break anyone's hands. I won't get paid. Rule number 2, the loser has to turn to the winner and go, you are the champion. Deal? Say yes. Okay, we're going to play the best of 3 rounds. If you catch 1 point, if you escape 1 point, everyone got this? Round number 1. MDRT. Good. Now, round number 2. Consultant. Okay. Final round. Are you ready to play? MDRT. Find yourself a partner, fold that paper, give it to your partner. Now the partners, when you receive this, do not open and read. Do not open and read. Good. Everyone got this? Now, I want you to just turn and face your partner while you're doing this, right? Turn and face your partner. This is what I want you to do. We are going to do an exercise on brand courage to really get you thinking about brand courage. Look your partner in the eye. Stare at him in the eye. And this is what I want you to say. You can do this. Now, you gotta translate. Imagine you're giving your courage to your partner. Believe in yourself. Do not be limited by your beliefs. Now I want you to say this line really loudly. Have no fear. Have no fear. Now Prudential, I want to get you on your feet. I want you to stare your partner in the eye again and say it like you mean it. Have no fear. Have no fear. Now this is what I want you to do. I want you to tear that paper. Tear it. Don't do anything, just tear it. Tear it to as small as you can. Tear that piece of paper. Tear it. Now, tear it. On my count of 3. Wait, you are going to release this fear. And you are going to shout louder than anything you've ever done in your life. And you're going to shout, have no fear. Are you ready? On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Give yourself a round of applause, everybody.